Let's begin with some breaking news that's coming in. This is the latest as far as the Sabarimala hearing in Supreme Court is concerned. CJI bats for gender equality and clearly states that where a man can enter, a woman can go as well. And I'm quoting now, says what applies to a man applies to a woman. These are the details that are coming in. Petitioners' lawyers put forth arguments. Let's in fact go across to Meenakshi for more on this. Meenakshi, big breaking news coming in. The Chief Justice of India has clearly stated that where a man can go, a woman can go, and there should absolutely be no distinction between the two. And this is big given the kind of blocks that women had in Sabarimala.
Well, indeed, this is a very critical observation which is coming in. Of course, this is still at a formative stage. Today is day 2 of these marathon arguments before the Constitution bench, which will go on to determine the entry of women, the ban on the entry of women at Sabarimala, whether that is protected under Article 25, 26 of the Constitution. That judgment will, of course, come out at a later juncture. These are insights, these are oral observations that we are bringing to our viewers, Avni. And while Indira Jaising is arguing for one of the interveners, she is making the larger case as to how, as to how the physiological phenomena of menstruation cannot be a ground to treat women in a discriminatory manner. She's going on to make references about how women who are menstruating are treated as untouchable. She was arguing on the larger context of Article 17 of Constitution, which deals with untouchability, to which it was Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud who said that the scope of the arguments perhaps entirely would not fall within the purview of Article 17. However, Indira Jaising is making a determined effort about the condition of women, the treatment that they are subjected to when they are menstruating. And she's also making the larger point here, Abdi, about how this particular practice is based in custom. This is a traditional practice which has continued for years. And just because it has continued for years, there's no reason for it to go on continuing in the future. This is not religion, is the point that Indira Jaising is making. This is not something which comes within the ambit of protection granted under Article 25, 26, to which we saw this all-important observation from Honorable Chief Justice of India. He says that there is no concept of a private mandir in so far as scriptures go, and where a man can go, a woman can also surely go.
All right. Thanks, Meenakshi, for getting us those details. So crucial observations here in this particular case. We'll, of course, have to wait for the final word as far as women's entry into Sabarimala itself is concerned.